Hello guys, this is Niyaz. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to understand what is a basic structure of the website and how website works. That's the development process. Without any delay, let's jump into the video. First of all, we will understand what exactly the website. So basically, you are seeing niyazdigital.com, which is one of website. You can see what are the elements you can observe on the screen. There are few elements like the text, the image, and some animations and some button functionalities. So, for almost any kind of website, these elements are common. The text elements, titles, headlines, descriptions, button text, etc., and the images, backgrounds, and the colors and animations. These all are common for any web page. Whatever you are seeing is a web page of a website. So, if you scroll down to the bottom, you might see some navigations to the other parts of the website. For example, in this case, contact now button. You are redirecting to the another page. This is another web page within same website. The website is basically a collection of web pages together called as a website. The web page may contain images, text, and some animations and all the styles. So let's understand how exactly these web pages are made. The web pages contain three important things in general: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. First, let's understand what is HTML. HTML is a programming language which gives the structure to the website. For every website, you may notice there is a header, there is a body, and there is a footer. This is common pattern for almost every website. Okay, HTML gives the structure to the website. If you see this header, body, footer, sidebar, this is a pretty common website structure. In most cases, the HTML gives the exact skeleton of the website. Now CSS. CSS gives the style and appearance to the website. If you see this exact web page, for example, you can see the button colors are blue. Upon hover, you can see the gradient is changing in background. You can see the font styles are different for headlines. For the description, it's different. For contact now button, it's different. So this background is different. These colors, the styling appearance comes from the CSS, cascading style sheets. Next, the JavaScript. JavaScript actually gives the functionality to the website. If you see this web page, you can see there is a contact form. Basically, what happens in a contact form, you fill the data. As soon as you click on the send, the data will be sent to the server. It means this website has the functionality of getting and receiving the data. So the JavaScript gives the ability to that, get the data and store the information. In simple words, if you want to understand these three terms, you can refer this image. The HTML, if you take human body as an example, the HTML is a skeleton of the body. The CSS gives the skin tone, color, hair type, all the style and appearance things. Then the JavaScript is nothing but blood circulation, digestive system, the functionality, the life. So these three together function as a complete live website similar to the live human body. Okay, HTML gives the structure, CSS gives the style, and JavaScript gives the functionality. So now let's understand a little bit more in detail. For every website, there are few things are common. If you see the PayPal website, you can notice there is a navigation to other pages. This is basically the header. This area you can call as a header. From here, you can navigate to the other pages within the website. Then there is a content. All this as a body of the website. If you scroll down, you'll get more information of the business and the partnerships, etc. etc. Then in the final bottom, you can see there is a footer. Footer gives you the same things like quick links, disclaimers, descriptions, and other like policy, legal pages, links, etc. So this is a footer, the body, then the header. This is a basic website structure. Then we will understand the types of the website. There are two types of the website. One is a static website and another one is a dynamic website. Static websites basically they are not they don't they use the static information. Say for example, if you consider PayPal as a static website, even it's a dynamic, the static which I mean is we are not going to change the data dynamically every day, every time. If you after the 1 year you come to visit the same PayPal website, you will see everything is same. There is nothing to change. The pages within the PayPal website still remain same for longer time, and the data is not automatically changing dynamically within the website. The data here, whatever is seeing, is a static. You can say this is a kind of static website. For the dynamic website, the data and everything keep changing every day. Say for example, a news website. In this case, you can see the NDTV website. Here, the news and updates will update for every hour, every day. You can see the news screen every day. You will get new updates every day on day-to-day basis. This is simple. There is a static website, the data remains same, and there is a dynamic website, that data will automatically change, and the data is very dynamic in nature. Now we have understood three things: the website and the website structure, and static and dynamic. Now we understand the process of website development. There are three approaches we can design and develop the website. The first thing, custom code. In this case, you need to know all these languages fully. Like you have to know HTML completely, how to code and how to write the entire page coding. Then you need to know CSS. Then you need to know JavaScript in order to custom code everything. Then there are some low code process. Say for example, WordPress is also kind of low code web page creation platform where you don't need to know much about coding. If you are familiar with HTML CSS, that's great. Even if you don't know HTML CSS, you can create beautiful websites using the WordPress platform. No code, you can say there are so many platforms like Shopify and WordPress. Those platforms comes under no code. You can create without knowing the actual code like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all these things. You can create with a simple interface of drag and drop page builders. Then there is a platforms called no code platforms. Say for example, in Wix there is no much customization is required. Only all you need to like just drag and drop the widgets like image widget, video widget, and widget for heading, widget for paragraph, like that. So you can build the websites. These are the three major types of the website design development process. I don't want to get into the deep. In further videos I will explain in more. So now we understood the basics of the website. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or doubts, please comment below. I'm happy to respond, and please do subscribe and like our videos for more upcoming videos in our channel. Thanks for watching. This is Niyaz signing off.